para sa mga players. No coach study. Ayan, alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, before we start for our first kiddie game, let's interview our first player. Hi!
Hi.
What is your name?
Tetulog.
Wave. Hi, Wave. Wave. Ayan. Wave. How old are you?
Yes.
3 years. And where do you live?
Hello.
I don't know. Are you ready to play? Yes! Palakpakan natin! Give! Wave! Hi, what is your name? Ezekaya?
Ezekaya.
Ezekaya? Ayan. How old are you, Ezekaya?
4 years
4 years
old.
old. And where are you from?
I don't know.
Oh.
Where do you live?
Where do
Kuya?
you live?
It's been a one and reason.
Yes! Dito marinig mo, Mami. Alam niyo. Are you ready to play?
Yes.
Yes, para baka natin team Ezekaya. Okay, ready, Tita? So, paunahan lang to ha, mga ate. After you build a pyramid, don't forget to shake your body. Okay? And get all the cups. No, after you build a pyramid. Okay? Kahit lang, kung ilan po yung gusto natin. Okay? Alright!